Making a landing page of the Wix website is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Wix on the web browser. After opening the Wix, click on Search bar and search here Design and then tap on Website Templates. Wait until the template page gets loaded. Once the templates are loaded successfully, search here Landing Pages. Click to edit any template you want. After opening the template to edit, you can add elements, sections, menu, site design, apps, media, CMS in here. Once you make all the changes, click on Preview to have full look of the landing page. Then tap to publish the page. Choose a domain. After that, click to save and continue.